be doing a Roblox piggy. mm, uh, the tile list of skins. Okay, first is Pandy. Pandy, I would do an okay. Father Piggy. I don't actually like Father Piggy that much. I'll put it on that. Bunny. George Piggy also. Let me put Pandy over here too. No, yeah, bad. Right. Let's turn on do not disturb mode so there will be no. I'm saying no notifications. Yeah, now there will be no notifications. Yeah, good. Now, Clowny. The sound is very bad. Like it's really loud, so I'm gonna do it too. Good. Dino Piggy. I'll do okay. Doggy. Doggy came out really early and it's actually the same jump scare as Daddy Pig. So bad. Grandma, it's the same. It doesn't have the models of the real one now, so I don't like them. No, teacher. Obviously, I would put teacher over on bad. But if there was the new model, I would say okay. Angel, go. Where is terrible? Wait, where is terrible? Yeah, where is Angel now? You're gone down there. Angel is really loud. Okay, Skelly. Okay, that's my wish to get Skelly. I'm going putting it on top. Pony on top. Foxy. Okay, I'll put it on. Okay. Boom. Go there. Go there. Go on, good. Go on. Bro. Where do I put memory? Where did memory go? Bro, memory just okay here. Let's put it on. Okay. Same for one pig. Same for the main pig. Kitty. Where did Kitty go? Okay. What pig Kitty on? Okay. I would put giraffe. Okay, giraffe and good. Berry on amazing. There are a lot of amazing. Bad is the most. Terrible is the least. I don't. Okay, tigery. Go on there. Go over there. Zombie, go over there. Robbie, I would do good. Polly, I would do amazing. Soldier, I would do amazing. Torture, I would do amazing. Daisy, I would put in good. Percy, amazing. Billy, I would put on okay. Badgie, I would put on good. There are, like the most are actually amazing now. Let's look at. Oh, why did I put these both? Yeah, where are they? Yeah, bad has low amount of them now. Okay, Mr. P is going first. I'm gonna put it like how much I like right here, Skelly. Okay, let's put Bunny. Like Bunny right. Let's put it right here. Bam, bam. Okay. Put it right here. Yeah. Now it's okay. Now berry right here. Polly will be right here. Then yes. And right here. Soldier piggy I would almost put on okay, but just because of it, it's like zombie piggy thing, I would not do it actually. So let's save and download it. Bro, it's actually downloading. Whoa, now. Now let's. Wait, what? Download image. Now let's share this on Twitter. Guys, check out my Twitter. It's right here. You will see it. And you can follow me. Yeah, you can follow me. I will post this 100%. Like, I'll tweet it. Yeah, boom. Done. Now let's view community. Like, maybe you guys have done that. Maybe you guys have done this. This is mine. This is mine. This is mine. Oh, this is not mine. Wait, let me. Okay. So this is kind of good. Not gonna lie. Zizzy on first. Okay, like Zizzy the most. Okay. This I like Zizzy. Okay. And Mr. P, Robbie. Wait, I can't use him. Okay. So, yes, bad and terrible and most likely mine. Is I all. Wait, why did you know right here? Okay, his one must be on bad because just to the glitch. Why is Robbie on terrible? Why is Robbie on terrible? If it's loud, if its sound is loud, why would his name be like that? This is amazing. Okay, it's like shoot. Sheesh. Let's do piggy maps. Piggy maps. Let's do maps. One skins. Okay. Now we have done these. Now let's do piggy quizzes again. Like I did them some months ago. Let's do them. Let's search piggy. Okay, right here. We might have done this. It's joining me. Would there be a... Yes, there is already. This is not a refresh. Is it? It's yes, right? Yeah, it's yes. Are the 3 flowers in this survival? All of them are outside. All of them are outside, yeah. All of them are outside. वीडियो बना द बेस्ट the best. I don't know that. Scout with name maybe. Wait, that was just a guess. I'm not lying, that was just a guess. Which character is Mrs. Grandpa? Gabriella. Who is Gabriella? Grandpa and Gabriella. Wendy is also not. Wendy is not missing anymore, but she was missing that. Bro, yeah, Grandpa Piggy is missing. Why are 13 places of then 4 right from who's the YouTube sketch dandelion subs blocks were right? I'm pretty sure. Yeah. But not anymore. This is the creator of a piggy. Yes, he does. He does have a YouTube channel. Who died in piggy? Bunny did. Zizzy also did, but this is old. What is the truth? Showing you fast flashback, yeah. That was Mr. P, Mr. P, yes, Mr. P. It can't be Miss P. Yeah. Ooh, I'm doing good. Who is behind the piggy? Huh? Mr. P, obviously. I'm 8th place right now. I'm 8th place. Who's the kid? Mr. P. It's Minitoon. Why is the T not capital? You don't know your Minitoon spelling? How many characters based on such a pig are there? Oh, this is a tricky question. Okay. 21, I think. Wait, I got it correct. I actually got it correct. Yes. Oh my god. Oh, it's this question. I know. We don't have to do Grandpa, but Gabriella, who I don't know. Okay, now it will be correct. Yeah. Yeah, I was number 1.
No, चलिए इधर.
Okay. Let's see. Well, so crazy. That's it for the video. Bye bye.